The Florida sky glows with the first light of morning at Kennedy Space Center. The air is crisp, filled with a sense of possibility that only a new dawn can bring. As the sun peaks over the horizon, its golden rays spill across the sprawling complex, painting the launch pads and hangars in hues of orange and pink. This is a place where history has been made, and where, today, history will be made again. Towering above the launch pad is the Space Launch System, or SLS, the most powerful rocket ever built. Its immense structure dominates the landscape, a marvel of modern engineering and human ingenuity. Every bolt, every panel, every inch of this rocket represents years of tireless work and innovation. At its tip, the Orion capsule waits, ready to carry humanity's dreams back to the moon. Sleek and resilient, Orion is more than just a spacecraft. It is a symbol of our determination to explore, to reach farther, and to answer the age-old question, what lies beyond? The air is thick with anticipation. This is no ordinary launch. Engineers, scientists, and spectators alike hold their breath, knowing that what happens here will echo across generations. The crowd is a tapestry of emotions, nervous excitement, pride, and hope all mingling together. Today marks the beginning of a new era in human exploration. It is a day that will be remembered not just for the technology on display, but for the spirit of adventure that drives us forward. The world stands on the threshold of a new chapter, one that promises discovery and wonder. Years of engineering and dedication have led to this moment. Behind the scenes, thousands of hands have shaped every detail, overcoming obstacles and setbacks with relentless perseverance. Each member of the team has poured their expertise and passion into making this launch possible. The SLS stands as a beacon of hope and ambition, built by thousands from around the world. It is a testament to what humanity can achieve when we work together, transcending borders and differences in pursuit of a common goal. The countdown clock ticks steadily, measuring the final moments before liftoff. Each second brings us closer to a leap into the unknown, a journey that will test the limits of our technology and our courage. The world watches, united in awe and expectation. From living rooms to classrooms, from bustling cities to remote villages, millions of eyes are fixed on Kennedy Space Center. In this moment, we are all explorers, sharing in the hope and excitement of what is to come. 4 astronauts sit inside Orion, calm and prepared, ready to carry the torch of exploration. Their training has been rigorous, their resolve unwavering. They represent the best of us, courageous, curious, and committed to pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Each astronaut carries not only their own dreams, but the hopes of their families, their nations, and all of humanity. Their journey is a bridge between our past achievements and our future aspirations. Their journey is a testament to our relentless drive to push beyond the horizon. Every mission builds on the legacy of those who came before, inspiring new generations to look up and wonder. The silence of dawn is about to be shattered by the roar of launch. In these final moments, time seems to stand still, as if the world itself is holding its breath. For now, there is only stillness, a calm before the storm. The anticipation is electric, every heartbeat echoing the countdown. As the sun rises, it illuminates the path back to the moon. The light glints off the rocket's surface, a beacon guiding us toward new frontiers and endless possibilities. Humanity stands ready to take that step once more. With courage, unity, and hope, we prepare to embark on a journey that will shape the future and inspire the world. Artemis II matters because it ends a 50-year pause in human journeys beyond Earth's orbit. For half a century, the moon has been a distant dream, visible in our night sky but out of reach for human hands. Now, with Artemis II, we reignite the spirit of exploration that once defined an era, and we remind ourselves that the boundaries of possibility are meant to be pushed. Generations have known the moon only through history books and old footage. For many, the stories of Apollo are legends told by grandparents, flickering on grainy screens, inspiring awe, but also a sense of longing for something lost. The Apollo missions proved the impossible was possible, but then we stopped. The footprints and flags left behind became silent reminders of what humanity could achieve, if only we dared to dream again. Artemis II is the promise that our journey continues. It's a bold statement that we are not content to let our greatest achievements remain in the past. For the first time since 1972, astronauts will travel beyond low Earth orbit toward the moon. This is more than a return. It's a leap forward, blending the legacy of Apollo with the innovation of today. They won't land yet, but they'll blaze the trail for future explorers. Their mission will test new technologies, new teamwork, and new resolve, paving the way for humanity's next giant leap. This mission bridges our past triumphs and our future ambitions. It connects the courage of those who first ventured into the unknown with the dreams of those who will follow. The Artemis crew reflects today's humanity, diverse, skilled, united. They represent not just one nation, but the hopes of people everywhere who look up and wonder what's possible. Their journey will inspire a new generation to reach higher. Children who watch Artemis II will see themselves in the crew and believe that they too can be part of humanity's next adventure. We return not just for flags and footprints, but to build a sustainable future in space. Artemis II is the first step toward living and working beyond Earth, creating opportunities for discovery and progress that will benefit all. Artemis II is humanity's declaration. After decades of waiting, we are ready to return to the cosmos, to explore, to learn, and to inspire generations yet to come. The countdown reaches 0. In that instant, years of planning, engineering, and anticipation come together. The tension in the control room is palpable, every eye fixed on the monitors, every breath held in suspense. A blinding flash and a torrent of fire erupt from the SLS rocket. The engines roar to life, unleashing a force of nature that lights up the dawn and shakes the very air. 8 million pounds of thrust shake the ground as the rocket rises, defying gravity. The Earth trembles beneath the power, and spectators feel the shockwave in their chests, a reminder of the sheer scale of this moment. The SLS ascends, a pillar of fire pushing Orion and its crew skyward. The night sky is split open by the rocket's trail, a blazing path marking humanity's reach for the stars. On board, astronauts are pressed into their seats, years of training coming to life. Every muscle tenses as the G-forces build, their faces set with determination and awe, trusting the machine beneath them. The rocket becomes a brilliant star in the sky, breaking the sound barrier. A thunderous boom echoes across the landscape, signaling the crossing into supersonic speed. In 2 minutes, the solid boosters separate, falling away. Their job is done, and they tumble back to Earth, leaving the core stage to carry the mission onward. The core stage burns on, accelerating Orion ever faster. The rocket slices through the thinning atmosphere, engines blazing as it climbs higher and higher. After 8 minutes, the engines cut off. Sudden silence replaces the roar. The violent shaking ceases, and a profound calm settles over the crew. The crew floats, weightless, in orbit. For the first time, gravity's grip is gone, and the astronauts experience the wonder of microgravity as they drift from their seats. They circle Earth at 17,000 miles per hour. Below them, continents and oceans blur past, a breathtaking view reserved for only a few. The most violent phase is over. Relief and exhilaration mix as the crew exchanges glances, knowing they've crossed a threshold few have ever reached. They've escaped Earth's grasp, poised for the next step. The blue planet recedes behind them, a reminder of home and the journey ahead. The journey to deep space has begun. With Orion pointed toward the moon, humanity's next great adventure unfolds, carrying dreams and hopes beyond the world we know. In low Earth orbit, Artemis II enters a crucial phase. Orion remains attached to the upper stage as the crew checks every system. Once verified, Orion separates, becoming a free spacecraft. The astronauts maneuver, rehearsing for future dockings. Through their windows, Earth appears as a stunning blue marble. They orbit once, testing systems in sunlight and darkness. The crew adapts to microgravity, learning to move and work in weightlessness. Every step prepares them for the leap into deep space. Soon, they'll leave Earth's embrace behind. All systems go. Mission Control gives the command for translunar injection. Orion's engine ignites, pushing the crew beyond Earth's orbit for the first time in 50 years. The spacecraft accelerates rapidly, following a free return trajectory that uses the moon's gravity for safety. Earth shrinks in the windows, transforming into a fragile sphere. The engine cuts off. Silence returns. Now truly in deep space, the crew travels faster than any human in decades. The journey to the moon will take several days. Orion coasts, momentum carrying it across the vast emptiness. Both Earth and moon are visible, one shrinking, one growing. The crew is pulled by both worlds, entering the trans-lunar coast. They monitor systems, conduct experiments, and prepare for lunar encounter. The great push is over. The true journey has begun. Life inside Orion is a blend of science and adaptation. 4 astronauts share a compact, high-tech space, working in shifts. They test Orion's systems, pushing its limits far from Earth. Their health is monitored, providing vital data for future missions. Simple tasks become challenges in microgravity: eating, sleeping, moving. Moments of wonder break up the routine as the moon grows larger outside. The crew gazes at the lunar surface, seeing it as a real world, not just a distant light. They feel the privilege and responsibility of their journey. They are living the dream of billions. After days in space, Orion reaches the moon for a close flyby. The spacecraft uses lunar gravity to bend its path, soaring just above the surface. The view is breathtaking, craters and mountains in stark detail. The crew witnesses Earthrise, our planet rising above the lunar horizon. It's a perspective that underscores the fragility of home. Cameras capture the moment, sharing it with the world. Orion passes behind the moon, losing contact with Earth for 30 minutes. In that silence, the crew is utterly alone, pioneers on the far side. Instruments listen to the universe, free from Earth's radio noise. The astronauts gaze at untouched lunar landscapes. The experience is humbling, a reminder of our small place in the cosmos. As Orion emerges, communication is restored. The sight of Earth fills their windows once more. The moon's gravity sends Orion homeward. The return journey is a multi-day coast through space. Earth grows larger, but the most dangerous phase awaits: re-entry. Orion slams into the atmosphere at nearly 25,000 miles per hour. Friction creates a firestorm, heating the capsule's shield to 3,000 degrees Celsius. A plasma sheath causes a communications blackout. The crew is alone. Inside, they endure crushing deceleration. Then, the blackout ends. Mission control is back online. Parachutes deploy, slowing Orion for splashdown. The capsule drifts gently to the Pacific Ocean. Recovery ships move in. Divers secure the capsule. The astronauts emerge, breathing fresh air, triumphant. Their million-mile journey is complete. Artemis II's splashdown is not an end, but a beginning. The mission proves our technology and teamwork are ready for lunar exploration. The path to the moon is open again. Artemis III will land humans on the lunar South Pole, starting a new era of exploration. The moon is a stepping stone to Mars and beyond. Skills learned here will help us become a spacefaring civilization. Artemis II reignites humanity's dream of discovery. This is our next giant leap, one we take together, for good.